What's going on, guys? We're back here again today. Welcome back to the channel, Savage Panda Projects, the Habitat for Horsepower. So on today's video, we're going to be going over some basic essential tips and tricks with this OBD11 scan tool. So without further ado, let's go and hop in our Project A3, fire up this OBD11, and we'll go ahead and make some improvements. Alright, so first things first, we're going to have to go ahead and plug in this OBD11 dongle to our OBD2 port. Turn our ignition on, but we're not going to start the engine. Alright guys, so we went ahead and connected our OBD11 device, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into apps. Alright, so once you open up your app menu, you can see you've got a lot of cool different options. Some of these features are actually not going to apply, like for example, this A3 does not have the sound actor. That would be more applicable to like an S3 or a Golf R. So we're just gonna go ahead and disregard that. So another cool feature in here is your daytime running light functionality. That's something about the functionality of your daytime running lights. When you go ahead and pop a turn signal, it's like your car wants to wink. I've never been much a fan of that. So we're gonna go ahead and change that here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put that in the dim selection. Daytime running light will dim with turn signal on. We don't want to obstruct any visibility of our turn signals, so we're going to go ahead and stick with that option. Alright, and you can see that as a success. And some of this stuff is really cool. I mean, ESC off, I can understand like for track purposes, you might want to shut that down completely. Lap timer, exhaust flap deactivation, once again that would apply to the active exhaust systems found in the Golf R or S3. Gauge test, needle sweep, that's always been kind of a nice little fun novelty when you go ahead and start your car. Get a nice cheerful sweep. So yeah, why not? Let's go ahead and do a little needle sweep. Success. Alrighty guys, so we went ahead, we've made our selections for these OBD11 preferences. Let's go ahead and test them out and see how they do. Alright, let's go ahead and do an initial startup here. We'll see about that needle sweep. There we go. I like it. Alright, so let's see about this turn signal here. Ah, there we go. So you can see that dim the light. All right, pretty cool, I like that feature. I still have a few credits just in case there's any settings I need to go back and tweak. There wasn't really anything else that I felt like I really needed to spend the credits on, so I'm just gonna stick with what I have for now. So make sure to check that out, grab an OBD11 if you haven't already, link in the description box below. So it's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today's OBD11 tutorial video. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.